Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to reveal the superhero theme I'm going for with the charity bike, and I'm pretty sure no one's going to be able to guess from one sticker. Well, if you're new to the channel, let me explain what's going on. So I put out basically a bit of a challenge to buy £1,000 or less motorcycles, big CC capacity, to ride the UK like a compass, to raise money for the Rainbow Trust Children's Charity that help seriously and terminally ill kids and their families. And it's an incredible, incredible charity. There's just given a link down below. So many people are getting involved. It's blown my mind away. It's been absolutely fantastic. And obviously, we've not set off yet. That's going in May. Everyone's welcome to join us. All the details are on the Facebook page and in previous videos. Go and check them out. But the whole point of it is I said that we're going to go as superheroes. And I thought it'd be really cool to just give you a taster of where I'm going with my bike. And obviously, you'll probably be able, no, I'm sure you won't be able to guess which superhero I'll be going at. But first things first, last time we rode these, we were in peeing it down rain coming back from the National Motorcycle Museum. So I'm going to give it a quick wipe down, a quick clean, and get it ready to put that first sticker on so you guys can try and guess what superhero I'm going to be. But I'm pretty sure you'll guess pretty quickly and put it in the comments. Or will you? So, as you can see, she is sparkling, looking absolutely amazing. So this is the time where, like I said, I'm going to put one sticker on, and I don't think people are going to be able to guess very easily. She's had an 11 out of 10 clean, so she's perfectly ready for this moment. So we'll see what people think in the comments. But here we go. This is the reveal of the theme, the superhero I've picked for this trip. Now, I'm pretty confident that nobody will get that right, not at all in any way whatsoever. But that's the first sticker on to this awesome, awesome bike. I just can't wait to get in costume. It's going to be epic. But again, I just want to say thank you to so many people. So far, we've raised £640. £640. And do you know what? That's amazing. And it's so many people. It's not just me. You've got the Works channel, Biker Buddy. There's a guy called Reg coming along. There's loads of people. Just go on the Facebook page and just see how many people are getting involved in this, because it is absolutely incredible. But the first sticker's on, so I'm already excited. I'm getting more and more buzzing about this trip. So my big question is, are you going to be the next person to put that total up? And next time we make a video, are we going to have it more than 640 quid? I really hope so. So many people are getting involved. The Works channel, Biker Buddy, so many people. And honestly, all their names are going to appear in a minute, the people that donated. But will you be the next? Will you be the next person? I am honestly humbled, excited, and everything about this trip. It's incredible, and it's going to be a laugh. So all your links are down in the description where you can donate, the link to the Facebook page so you can follow this journey. And if you're coming along, all the itinerary, the map, everything's on there, and we're going to be putting up more updates as it happens. But just thank you so much for watching. Thank you for the next person that donates, because it's just going to put that total up, and I will be doing the truffle shuffle. But anyway, remember, eat pie, ride motorcycles, be happy. I'll see you in the next bonkers helmet head adventure. Bye bye for now.
Going back to my old hometown, picking up the years I leave behind. Getting in my car, I drive as memories fly by. Driving by the fields I used to run through, where you were chasing me just when no one could see. Oh, sweet memories of a town I loved, but oh, changed when you left. I keep on asking myself in my mind, were you the one that got away? Moved a few times but ended up in Nashville. Tried to settle my restless soul. Got a job